Welcome to Massachusetts. Whether you're here for the rich history, vibrant neighborhoods, or world-class sports and cuisine, the MBTA, known locally as the T, is your gateway to exploring it all. The T is the region's public transit system, encompassing subways, buses, commuter rail, and ferries. It's also home to the nation's very first subway, which began service right here in 1897. Today, the T remains one of the most convenient and affordable ways to experience the region. To ride the T, you can use a reusable Charlie card or a paper Charlie ticket. Both are available at fare vending machines located in all subway stations. Charlie cards can be loaded with stored value or unlimited ride passes, like the 1-day or 7-day passes, ideal for visitors planning multiple trips. Prefer using your smartphone, smartwatch, or tappable credit card? Our fare readers also allow contactless payments. Just tap and ride. For commuter rail and ferry services, download the MBTA M-Ticket app to purchase and display tickets directly from your phone. To plan your trips and get real-time updates, use the MBTA Go app. It provides live arrival times and service alerts to help you navigate the system with ease. Taking the T is straightforward. Follow the color-coded lines and clear signage to your destination. Major tourist spots are easily accessible. Take the green line to reach Fenway Park and the Museum of Fine Arts, the orange line to reach the Theater District and Chinatown, the red line to explore Harvard Square and the JFK Library and Museum, or the blue line for a quick trip to Logan Airport and Revere Beach. And if you're walking the Freedom Trail, the T is the perfect companion. It connects you to key stops like Park Street, State, and North Station. If you need help, look for one of our friendly transit ambassadors in red shirts. They're located throughout the system to assist with directions, ticket purchases, and any questions you may have. And if you're looking to venture beyond the city, the commuter rail connects you to charming destinations like Salem, home of the famous witch trials, and the coastal town of Hingham. Ferries offer a scenic route to explore Boston and nearby communities. So go ahead, tap, ride, and explore. We're here to help you enjoy your visit to the fullest. Welcome aboard.